So this is a rec new version, which is a mobile as well as it can be used as a drive-through pit version. This test is just to show you whether the readings will change in case we move the machine during the night or whatever it is, and then come back to the same position and to see whether the readings are the same. Now we have just taken a roll back, and then the readings are like this. Now just remember the readings. The first test what I am going to do is now just shake it. You can see here it just vibrates and then comes back to the same reading without any change. See here, I'm hitting it. Okay, after a few seconds you can see the readings will be in the same position. Show you is to move the machine during the night. That's what I'm saying. Supposing assume that we are moving the machine during the night to some other position. You see here we are moving it to one position, to whatever position you want. Bring back to the same position, approximately to the same position. Okay, so now all sorts of shakes, everything is being done. Now after all this being movement, you can see the camber readings still remains the same. There's absolutely no change in the camber readings, whereas the toe readings have changed because we have moved the position. Now all you have to do is to do a roll back in the car, like what we are going to do, and I'll show you the readings immediately after the roll back.
Measurement. Pushing measurement. Please push the vehicle backward.
We're doing the roll back. This is the ISO fixture which we use. Okay, one wheel is being done, and then the second one. You can see here the readings are absolutely the same readings as what we had before. So once you move the machine to the left or right or to some other place and then bring it back, all you have to do is just restart the alignment procedure or the rollback procedure for the same car. If it's a new car, you start as per the procedure. That's it. So this proves you that this is absolutely, the readings will be the same. You don't need to install it, fix it with the foundation bolts, nothing. It is absolutely a 3D wheel alignment machine which can be used as a mobile unit. Thank you.